So here is my huge Burlington bag. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I forgot what I bought because I've been waiting to film this video, but I really forgot what I bought. Let's move you back so I can have some room to model, baby. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it, okay? I'm just super excited because I love shopping for new clothes. They're just like, it's the best feeling ever. So we're gonna go with the bottoms first. I'm gonna get out all the bottoms and then we're gonna try those on. All right, so here are the first pair. We have some little brown little slacks that has a little tie belt right here. I really like these. These are very comfortable, very breathable, very easy to work with. It has a low cuffing at the bottom. Just super cute. Can't go wrong with some black slacks, y'all. Very cute. Teacher vibes, okay? Teacher vibes. All right, so next we have these pleather, because there ain't real leather, okay? These pleather mauve dusty rose pants. Why did I get these again? I think I got them because they were on clearance. These were only $8 and I figured why not, and it looks like something that I would definitely rock during the winter time with a nice boot and a nice long sleeve blouse, and I could really dress this up with my accessories and whatnot, and a nice handbag. This is not a real drawstring, but it is cute for fashion, I guess. But they're nice, and they have these nice little cargo pockets that are real. I thought this was going to be a nice cute thing to wear in the winter time. I love the color especially. It goes really nice on my melanin, okay? I guess you can say that I was in the mood to shop for things that I don't normally wear. So here are some more pleather pants. This is black. It's a little bit more tight fitting. This is a size large and this was $15. And again, kind of the same vibe. Around the winter time, dress it up with some nice gold and black accessories. This can really be a statement outfit because of these pants. Like, I like this a lot. It's just very cute, very like grungy, something that's not really my style, but I definitely will make it my style. All right, we have these mustard yellow joggers. These are super soft, super comfortable, perfect for the workplace when those cold days do come to Florida for that, what, 30 days? Not even 33 days. Yeah, so I like these. These are cute. These were only $8.99. Nice deep pockets, cute, very breathable, and just a nice little pair of pants. And they actually kind of have like that warmth material to it, so it'll definitely keep you warm in those colder days. All right, so next we have these little jegging type of situation. I haven't had pants like this in a very long time, and I really like it because of the pattern. It's a nice burgundy color, perfect for like those Thanksgiving days or whatnot, or those holiday parties where you just want to be casual. This is a really nice fit. There's no pockets on the back. However, are these real? Let's see. No, some faux pockets in the front, which is okay, but I like the fit. They're very stretchy and they fit really comfortably. This was $13.99. All right, so we kind of have the same thing going on here, but this is a black and gray pattern, a little plaid action with the gold detailing. I really like this. This was $9.99. Very comfortable on the bum. As you can see, it gives you a nice little shape, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we really like this. I like this a lot, and you can wear it high-waisted to conceal the gut, and it will still be enough room down at the bottom, which is probably how I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna probably wear it up here with a nice tie around top. But yeah, I like this a lot. It's very comfortable, very stretchy. Just, it kind of feels like yoga pants if you really ask me. Like, all right, so next we have a top and some bottoms. We have a nice black, super comfortable linen pant. It is so comfortable. Oh my gosh, like, this is a look already. I'm not really like usually wearing black and white like that, but I would definitely pair these two together because they're both very lightweight. The shirt is a little small, even though it's a large. The material is not stretchy, but it's still very nice. I can just pull my sleeves back and then rock it that way. Wear this with a nice Tory Burch bag and sandal and call it a day, honey. It has a nice fit. Does it have any pockets? No pockets, which is okay, but it does fit really pretty on. It has these little shorts underneath. I would definitely wear it tied like this just to give it some shape and some body. The top was $11.99. I just wish I got in a bigger size. It's a large, isn't it? Yeah, it's a size large. It's just really, really not stretchy, but it is okay if you just wear it differently. You wear it as a cover up and leave it open. That's probably what I'm going to do. But yeah, I like this a lot. Next, we have this little green top. Now, it is not typically my style, but I am a teacher. If you didn't know, I'm a teacher, so sometimes we have to wear a color specific, like for that day or for that theme or whatever we got going on. So I picked up this green top because one, it's no sleeves, it's sleeveless, so that really will help me because I don't really like wearing too much sleeveless or sleeved items because I move around a lot. But I figure it's giving very much teacher educator vibes, and I actually like it on me. It fits really nicely, very slinky, not revealing, very modest. Like I could do a parent teacher conference in this and feel very confident, but very still cute. It's all about how you accessorize. So I do like this a lot. It's cute. I just got it because of the color, but it actually fits me really nicely. And it was $8.99. It's a nice top, something that I can keep for a long time and just wear it over and over different ways. I can wear it with jeans, black, white, khaki, you name it. So definitely miss BerryFae, okay? All right, next we have this cute little sweater crop top. I got this specifically to wear out. This is not something I would wear to work because it is cropped, but I would definitely pair this with some nice jeans, some jean shorts with some sneakers and go to the pumpkin patch. It was on sale, it was only $7. So I figured why not? It's definitely fall vibes. And you know, it is still hot here in Florida during the fall sometimes. So I thought this would be a really cute little addition to the collection of fall. This next piece, now I did go fall shopping, okay? But I had to get this for the holidays, okay? Holly jolly Christmas, here I come. I think this is so beautiful. I love the way this looks, the way it feels. This was $34.99. I got it in a size 8. And y'all, this is a beautiful dress. So my vision for this dress will definitely be one, I'm gonna wear it out, yes, to whatever holiday party I go to, but I am definitely gonna be taking some official Christmas pictures with my husband. By the time Christmas comes, we will be husband and wife. So this is gonna be our first stepping out as Mr. and Mrs. Jarrett. And I feel like this is a perfect holiday dress. Excuse my ash on my knee area. I only put lotion from the knee down because that's all that was showing this morning. But y'all, this dress is so beautiful. It fits like a glove. It's very stretchy, very chill at the same time. It's like, it's very classy but not doing too much. But even if it is, it's a showstopper. I would definitely wear my hair back and away from the face so the outfit can do its thing. I would gloss up my legs. I'd have a nice pearl necklace and some hanging earrings, and just some arm candy. Like, this is such a beautiful, beautiful dress. Like, do y'all see it? I love it. I love it. So this just inspired me to go get some more items for the holidays because I only really went shopping for the fall, but this here, it's getting me in the Christmas spirit. Like, I'm going to take my tree out of the closet probably tomorrow. I like this another color because this is a timeless piece and you could just wear it over and over and always feel confident and just grown in it. Like, this makes me feel like Olivia Pope. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just really, really pretty. It's very, very, very nice and just flowy and just like graceful. Like, no matter, even if it was up here, it would still give very much class because like the cape is just doing it for me. It's just really, really nice. Like, even if it was up here, I wouldn't mind. But I mean, it is it's a short dress, but it's not a mini dress. So all right, y'all, so that was the try on haul for Burlington. I love this thing so much. I cannot wait to show y'all how I style it. It's going to be amazing. Okay, amazing. But anywho, all right, y'all, I'm back. Let's do what we got from Express. I love Express. Holla at your girl. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys. I didn't get much because they were getting rid of the summer stuff to bring out the fall, so there was not really much left of what I really wanted from the last season, but I did pick up some bangers. Okay, so we basically got two separate outfits. I'm about to show y'all what they look like. I'm not gonna wear them together like this, no, but I'm just gonna show you guys how they look. All right, so first we have these Bermuda high-rise shorts. These were $40. These are in a size 12. I got them so they could fit and I can grow into them because, you know, I'm trying to get thicker, but I love it. It's very stretchy. And then I have this top. This top gives me Jacquemus vibes because they have a top like this that has the little Jacquemus emblem in the middle that's connecting the two sides. This gave me that vibe, but in its own way because of the color. It's very much the same color and kind of the same material. All right, so here is the outfit put on. I forgot how crazy this was in the dressing room trying this on, but I love this top so much. The sleeves can go down pretty long and it's just very nice and comforting to the body. Here are the shorts. The shorts are, whew, I love them. Again, this is a size 12, y'all. I'm usually a size 8 or 10, but this is a size 12 and it fits like perfectly on. So I guess I'm getting thicker, chat, I guess. nice quality. All right, so this here, okay? This here, I love this. Yes, it is technically supposed to go together. I would wear this together, but maybe I won't. I'll probably change it up in a different way, but I definitely could see myself wearing these together with some gold accessories, y'all. I love this accordion style piece. They were obviously sold separately, but y'all, they had this in fuchsia too, but I could not find my size. Oh my gosh, if I found this top in fuchsia, I would just be so happy. But yes, I love this so much. This is a beautiful summer or in spring type of vibe. I got this in a size large. I feel like I kind of got both of my tops in a medium because it's very loose up here. It's supposed to be like on you, but it's okay. It doesn't like move terribly, but I love this so much. The pants are a size 8 and the leg, honey, do you see that wide leg that just moves? I love this with the pumps. I would even wear this with some like gold sandals and some braids or my like hair like high up. So I could, my shoulders could show, you know. I love this so much. Like, Express is the thing with this, and it took me a while. I've been watching this for months and I never thought to buy the top because I thought it was not like this, because the way it was put on a hanger, it was like this, and I never thought like, hey, this might be off the shoulder. So I really like it. It's just so cute. It gives me disco vibes, girl. It gives me grown and sexy night, honey. Okay, I love this so much. So that's all I got from Express. See y'all in the next video.